Hey everyone, Jack here from the Fluffy Puppy. Welcome back to another video today. I'm just going to do a short vlog. It's my third video uploaded. It's gonna be my third video uploaded. This day is gonna be a total makeup day. I went to the Children's Museum, as you can see. Where are the girls? Oh yeah, I remember. The Johannes. I'm gonna tell my mom and dad that I'm going to Johannes. Oh wait, no, it's good. I'm okay. Good food. We already have food outside. And don't worry, I'm just eating mint. We grow mint. I've done a lot of updates on my Minecraft thing while you were gone. I was doing like I built a weapon shop, and I had 2 offers, 2 mascots. So I had Forza. Hi, Mom. Jester, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at the camera. What are you doing? I love that dog. Wasp. Jester, it's okay. Capiche? Capiche? Okay. I want to go on that. Does anybody want me to do a Draw My Life? Yeah, I guess. Hey. Mom? When should I do a Draw My Life?
What should what?
When should I do a Draw My Life?
What's a Draw My Life?
Like you draw your life. Like your life after, your life making videos, and even after you're a YouTuber.
But what is a Draw My Life? I don't get it. Like a comic, or?
No, it's like something that you write down on YouTube.
You'll have to show me because I don't know what it is.
Okay, because Pink Sheep has his name, and Exploding Jam, and also Dan TDM. Yeah, So yeah. I'm just saying, those are my only ones I knew, so I don't know when I'm gonna do one. So I hope I get, I'll probably do that in a little bit. Where's Jester? Oh shoot. I think I left Jester on. Wait, did I? No, I closed the gate. Good. Thank you. Tell me if I closed the gate. Oh yeah, I did close the gate. I remember opening it. Yeah. No. I'll review this video when I said it. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Join the Fluffy Pack. And I will see you all next time. Bye bye.